Florida Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 1.
Question 1. When preparing to pass another vehicle, you should begin your pass from lane position.
Any. The middle. The left. The center.
Answer.
The left.
Question 2. Because a motorcycle brake light is not as visible as the brake light on a car, you should
only brake when absolutely necessary. Install extra lights on your motorcycle. Flash your brake light when you think it may not been seen. Beep your horn whenever you're about to stop.
Answer.
Flash your brake light when you think it may not been seen.
Question 3. When parking at the roadside, you should park
at a 45-degree angle with your front tire touching the curb. Parallel, with both tires touching the curb. Parallel, with no tires touching the curb. At a 90-degree angle with your rear tire touching the curb.
Answer.
At a 90-degree angle with your rear tire touching the curb.
Question 4. It is safest to approach obstacles at a degree angle.
180. 25. 90. 45.
Answer.
90.
Question 5. When approaching a blind intersection, you should
yield to all other traffic. Look both ways before proceeding. Move into lane portion that will allow you to be the most visible. Turn around and drive the other direction.
Answer.
Move into lane portion that will allow you to be the most visible.
Question 6. It is dangerous to ride beside a row of parked cars because
you may drive into a car. It decreases visibility. Traction is poor beside parked cars. Someone may open their door into your path.
Answer.
Someone may open their door into your path.
Question 7. How can you reduce your reaction time?
Carry very little cargo. Keep the clutch pulled in slightly. Only drive with lower gears. Cover the clutch and both brakes.
Answer.
Cover the clutch and both brakes.
Question 8. As a motorcycle rider, how many positions do you have available in a single traffic lane?
2. 1. 3. 4.
Answer.
3.
Question 9. Before each motorcycle ride, you should adjust
the side mirrors, the clutch, the throttle, your seat.
Answer.
The side mirrors.
Question 10. Which of the following surfaces is the most hazardous for a motorcycle to ride on?
Gravel roads. Metal grating. Back lanes. Multi-lane highways.
Answer.
Gravel roads.
Question 11. Generally, motorcycles require
the same amount of distance as a car to stop. More room to operate safely than cars. More distance than a car to stop. Less distance than a car to stop.
Answer.
The same amount of distance as a car to stop.
Question 12. In which of these situations is someone most likely to try and share a lane with you?
In heavy traffic. When someone wants to pass you. All these answers are correct. When preparing to turn at an intersection.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 13. If you think your throttle is sticking, you should immediately
pull off the road. Pull the engine cut-off switch. Apply both brakes smoothly. Twist it back and forth.
Answer.
Twist it back and forth.
Question 14. When riding at night, you can increase your safety by
reducing your speed. All these answers are correct. Using your high beam. Wearing reflective clothing.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 15. Signal lights on a motorcycle should be used
in cities, but not rural areas. Only if you may not be seen by other vehicles. As long as other cars are around. Every time you plan to turn or change lanes.
Answer.
Every time you plan to turn or change lanes.
Question 16. You should use both front and rear brakes to stop.
In emergencies only. On hills and curves. At all times. You should never use both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Answer.
At all times.
Question 17. To help keep the motorcycle steady through a turn, you should
increase your speed. Decrease your speed. Maintain or increase your speed. Maintain or decrease your speed.
Answer.
Maintain or increase your speed.
Question 18. The best way to increase your visibility at an intersection is to
flash your brake light. Beep your horn to get attention. Use arm signals to warn others. Choose a lane position that lets others see you easily.
Answer.
Choose a lane position that lets others see you easily.
Question 19. While riding a motorcycle, you should position your feet.
All these answers are correct. Hovering just above the ground. With your toes pointed downward. Firmly on the foot pegs.
Answer.
Firmly on the foot pegs.
Question 20. When stopped at a stop sign, the bike should
remain in first gear. Remain in neutral. Remain in second gear. Remain in third gear.
Answer.
Remain in first gear.
Question 21. In slow turns, how can you help balance the motorcycle?
Lean with the motorcycle. Lean forward. Keep your body straight. Lean the opposite direction of the motorcycle.
Answer.
Keep your body straight.
Question 22. When a passenger is riding with you, they should
also have their motorcycle license. Wear a motorcycle lap belt. Lean as you lean. Lean back to balance the motorcycle.
Answer.
Lean as you lean.
Question 23. When following a vehicle, you should leave at least seconds of space between yourself and the vehicle.
1, 2, 3, 5.
Answer.
2.
Question 24. To prevent colliding with a hazard in the center of the lane, which lane position should you ride in?
Left. Left or right? Center. Right.
Answer.
Left or right?
Question 25. When loading saddlebags, it is important to
fill all saddlebags completely. Not exceed 20 pounds per bag. Fill one completely before loading others. Load them evenly with the same weight.
Answer.
Load them evenly with the same weight. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.